15 वर्सां माहीत झाली, 15-20 वर्सां माहीत जाले. 2 फावंडेशन इन्स्टिट्यूट गेले, 3 जाण MLA जावन गेले, एक अलेक्शिकनान गायल्लो, एक कायतून गायल्लो आनी पयर फाटी चेतीला दिसता म्हाका तेन्नाय गायलो. आमकां मुट्टी मेन पंचायत जाय, पंचायत फावंडेशन इन्स्टिट्यूट घालून जाले, पंचायत मुट्टी आमगे नाच आनी कोण गांवां आहाय ते न्हू एक्टिविटीज कोण हे म्हणटाय ते फकत बोवाळ माताय हे पॉयंटाचेर कोणें उलयलें ना आनी ग्रामसभा केन्ना उलयनाय. आम मुट्टी मेन पंचायत जाय. आम भाड्या आहाय इगोजी तूं भाड्या रावताय कोला देखून ताका परमिशन घेवपाक जाय मिटींग करता जाल्यार देखून हांव मागता सरकाराक देखून मागता मोवीन कुदी ना पयलीं सांगता आमगे सुराल्यो आनी चोय केन्नाय तेणें इश्ट मागलो ना. हांव म्हणा तेणी पंचायत आपयल जाल्यार ताका येन मुद्दम हाडे आनी आमगे गांवां पंचायत पयलीं बांदून दिये.
Stop. And there were two issues. One was regarding the land conversion, where the legal opinion was seen. And the second was the permission given on a disputed land, which is owned by the deputy sarkar. So, first of all, he cannot address that matter, which he has not even touched today. So, in that sense, skipping one subject was okay, but he could start from there. So it was like sabotaging the entire Gram Sabha and finishing or doing what they wanted. Very sad to see the situation being just carried away with the people who they want to.
Regarding the Konkan Railway, किती major आहे किती?
So the Konkan Railway, we have to understand. We have a problem. We have a problem. So the problem with Konkan Railway is, first of all, we have South Central Railway, we have Western Railway, and we have RVNL. So the issue here is railways don't have their documents in place as far as the South Central Railway is concerned. So they don't own the land. So the villagers own the land because it was done amicably during that time. So now the government or the Indian Railway is trying to put that in perspective by acquiring, saying so-called acquisition, where they are putting their cornerstone. So which to the owners is a surprise, and without following process, we have to give them notices how they would do in other circumstances. So which they have not done, and that is one of the reasons why the villagers are agitated, and they are saying that railway should not do this. At the same time, see, we are suspecting that there will be more tracks coming, and by doing all these things, they are confirming that they are planning for another track where they are establishing their land record. So that is one doubt. The other thing is they're just doing it haphazardly, not following the process. Does the law different for the government organization? It is not, as per our knowledge. They have to follow process, and people concerned have to be intimated.
As per the agenda allocated, आमी meeting केली आणि ती meeting आमगेली कॅबिन डिसोजा गेले डिवायडर घालपाक आणि प्रोग्राम रूम करपाक आणि अंडरपास मागीर पंचायत घराचे आणि तेगेले स्लुईस गेट घालपाक ते ऑलरेडी आमी रेजोल्यूशन धाडले. तेन्ना कोंकण रेल्वेची आमकां एक नोटीस येयले ती लोकांक अवेरनेस हें करूंक लायलें सर्वे नंबर घालून तेंका नोटीस धाडले. तातूंत तुमी 3 जनवरी हियरिंगा आमी डेट घेतले मातशें पयलीं करपाक आनी आमी लुकी डायसान एक प्रपोजल घायलो थिंग वेस्टर्न बायपासा मात बोलो आहा ती काश मुकोणें PWD ती आमी ऑलरेडी रेजोल्यूशन धाडले आनी तेगे त्यो आहाय त्यो कंप्लेंट तेणें कलेक्टराक BDO डायरेक्टराक घालपाक कंप्लेंटी ग्रामसभा घेवपाक जाय ओन्ली डेव्हलपमेंट प्रपोजल आनी सिरील वाली म्हणा तेकलो एक प्रपोजल आहलो आनी रॉडनी आहलो तेणी पॉयंट क्लीन करपाक ती ऑलरेडी आमी केली.
रेल्वे किती ऑब्जेक्शन आशिल्ले तेंगेले?
रेल्वे तेगे म्युटेशन करपाक हायकड तेणी सांगलें की कोणाक ऑब्जेक्शन आहलें यो म्हणटड आनी तुमगे फायल करें.
स्विच गेट खंयचे हें करपाक?
थोडे सेरावली बिकोली धाकटे थोडे सगळे स्विच गेट घाले मी कॅबिन डिसोजान सांगले आम ऑलरेडी WRD धाडलो अंडरपास ऑलरेडी काम चालू आहा आनी अंडरपास जातलो 1 सायड क्लियर केला.